We're having cheesy biscuits for breakfast today. In they go into the oven. The thermostat on it says just above 550 now, but I have a thermometer attached and that says just over 400 and dropping because I turned it down a bit. So yeah, don't trust the thermometer that's built in on any oven. And the biscuits are out. We have nicely browned biscuits out of the oven, and we've put in some Ethiopian bread in there to warm up. Got some scrambled eggs being warmed up, and yeah, biscuits out of the oven, bacon on the stove, and water boiling. Yeah, this Camp Chef oven is a dream to have at a campsite. You get to bake goods, you get to warm things up. Last night we were warming up some very, very, very amazing cornbread. So yeah, having a oven at a campground is an amazing, amazing thing. What's better than fresh baked cookies? Fresh baked cookies while you're camping. That was the first batch, and the second batch is already in the oven and should be out soon. Gotta love this Camp Chef oven. We've had biscuits, we've had cookies, we've had cornbread. Loving this oven.